Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk about this awesome product from a company called Geekera. This is the Geekera 2-in-1 Apple iPhone and Apple Watch wireless charging station. It is magnetic, it is MagSafe compatible, and it also works for your Apple Watch, whether you're laying it flat or you're setting it up in nightstand mode. So everything you need, if you have an iPhone and you have an Apple Watch, then this is an awesome charging station, and definitely one you're going to want. So let's talk about what comes in the box really quick. First of all, you do get the charger itself, obviously in the box. This dock has two features. It has this nice rubber-coated round charging pad for your iPhone, and it has a magnetic ring in there, so it is fully MagSafe compatible. When you set your phone on there, it'll just click into place and it will start charging right away, which is awesome. And then secondly, it has this nice Apple Watch charger, and this Apple Watch charger, like I said, you can see it's flat, but then you can push it up like that, and there you go. Now you can view your watch, set your watch up for having it by your nightstand and using it as a clock at night, and it works either way. Also is magnetic. So both of these are magnetic, fully compatible with Apple Watch and the iPhones that are equipped with MagSafe technology. Now, besides that, they do also include in the box the Quick Charge 3.0 charger, as well as the charging cord. So that's awesome. Everything you need is in the box. The cord and the charger come with it. So you're good to go when you get this. And this is a really awesome product. As you can see, it's very sleek. It looks great. On the bottom, you have this nice rubber ring all the way around the bottom, the base. That way, when you sit it on your on a counter, on a dresser, on a nightstand, or office desk, it's not going to slide around on you. When you put your phone on there, when you set your watch on there, it'll stay in place thanks to that nice rubber grip. And it's just a very simple but really excellent product. It looks really good, and it has all the features you would want in a charger. Again, if you have an iPhone and an Apple Watch, then you got to get this because it's just works so well. I love the fact that it has that MagSafe compatible magnetic ring inside the phone charger as well. So when you lay your phone on there, it's going to line up immediately with the MagSafe rings, and you're going to get charged just like you would expect. And then the fact that it also has the Apple Watch charger, and you can use it in vertical or horizontal mode. So really excellent features, really excellent product. If you're looking for a easy and efficient way to keep your Apple Watch and iPhone charged, and you want something that just looks good and is very nice and sleek, then the 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger from Geekera is definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.